wow, wow, wow. Come on in here, sit down. Come on in here, sit down. Come on in here, sit down, because if you miss this, don't come to me about it. Come on in here. Come on, hurry up, because you know how your cousins do. I'm telling you now. I'm telling you now. Somebody's beautifully blessed fingertips did this. My dear, dear cousins, it's just too easy at this point.
It's just too easy.
Look, y'all. Look at it. I'm gonna tell you like this. You know I'm good for calling out when something is gonna sell. I got that discernment. Channel members always get the tea first. When I feel like something is that strong, they're gonna get the tea first. That's one of the perks of being a channel member. But baby, when I tell you I was not sure about this wig because I didn't know if it was going to be heavy, and it is feather light. It's cute. It's neat. Look at the grid. The company is Black owned.
Stop playing with me.
Can y'all guess the vendor? Because everybody ain't this neat and clean. This wig ate down. You ain't never seen no braid wig eat down like this braid wig finna eat down. Look at my head. Look at my head. You ain't never seen no red. Hey. Oh my gosh, it's way too easy. And I'm gonna show you, I got the full tutorial because I heard what you said. Hit that subscribe button so you join the family, join the fun. I just had to tell you, I'm hyped. I got the details right now.
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop top out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low. But I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Wow, baby, got a hold on it. Don't let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for it. Instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, meet me. Timing's right, so right. Our romance to be, can't deny. Love the things we do when it's just us two. But tonight, baby, meet me outside. Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let him catch me. No, I never let him claim me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip, souls on big smile. Let's get this flick, stars are in line. I'm posted, lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Don't let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. We can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for it. Instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, meet me. Timing's right, so right. Our romance to be, can't deny. Love the things we do. Just us two. But tonight, baby, meet me outside. that you do. It's only right, it's what I deserve.